Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So, today is an African food. Yes, so I made a goosey soup with pounded yam. This yam was from my farm. If you haven't seen my farm video, then I'll leave it in the description box. So, please stay tuned and enjoy this video. The first step is to prepare the meat you'll be using for this recipe. I'll be using cow leg. It has been washed. I seasoned it and now it's in my pressure pot. I'm going to add in some water and I'm going to cover this and allow it cook. Cow leg is quite tough, so I love using my pressure pot to cook this. So I'm going to allow this cook very well and then we'll get back to this. The next thing I'm going to do now is to prep my vegetable. I'll be using bitter leaf for this recipe. It's already washed and now I'm going to boil it. I love boiling my bitter leaf. It helps remove the bitter taste. So now it's boiling and the next step is going to be to sieve it. So this is the stuff for today, our egusi. Let me know what egusi is called in your own dialect. And this is some pomo, locust beans, grounded pepper and onions, and some crayfish. That pepper and onions, I normally blend it, but there was no light. So I just used my mortar because I didn't want to on the gen. So now I'm pouring in the crayfish to the egusi, and I'm also adding in the pounded onions and pepper. So normally I would blend this. So if you want it very smooth, then you have to blend it, but it doesn't really matter. So now I'm going to just mix everything together. Yes, give it a good mix. If at this point you haven't given this video a thumbs up, please give this video a thumbs up. If you're enjoying it, share this video, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. In a pot, I added palm oil and then I added the egusi, and we're just going to like mix everything together, kind of like frying it, but just make sure you give it a good mix. And then the next thing will be to add in our stock water. That's the stock from the meat I used, the cow legs. Then after that, you give it a good mix and allow everything to come to a boil. As you can see, it has boiled out and this is what it looks like. Good, right? Yummy, yummy, yummy. Yummy in my tummy. It's very important to allow your soup boil out very well. It needs to cook really well. So allow it boil and boil and boil very well. And when you're sure it has really boiled very well, then you can go ahead and add your vegetables. You can use any vegetable that you like. I'll be using bitter leaf for this. So once you add your vegetables, after a few minutes, your soup is ready.